Happy New Day, family. I hope you're well. I send all my love and all my light. I'm here to put through our Spirit of the Animal Oracle for us all and see what comes up for us today. It is a wonderful, a beautiful day here in Scotland, so I send off that positive, high energy your way. I hope you're catching the rays if it's sunny, guys. If not, then you best be shining away. I call upon my divine guidance spirits. Spirit of the Animal Oracle, can we have my wonderful, most beautiful soul family's message and mine for this blessing of the day? And we received, we got the grizzly bear. Grr, 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 grr. The grizzly bear, guys. We got the grizzly bear yesterday. Power. Or was it the other day? I can't remember. Maybe it was yesterday, was it? We got it recently. Right. Anyway, repeat after me. I am indestructible. I honor my intuition and go where it leads. Love and gentleness are my real strengths. I never give up. And good luck will follow. So be it, guys. I'm going to say it again. I am indestructible. I honor my intuition and go where it leads. Love and gentleness are my real strengths. I never give up. Never give up, guys. And I will succeed. So that is your strong reminder from Spirit today, because you are the power. What's the song? I've got the power. Sing it. Know it. Be it. Don't forget.